Bend this leg right over this one. This is a great stretch. One of my preceptors showed me this one here. This is great for the IT band, that hip joint on the side, that TFL muscle. Here we get a little bit of the QL muscle in the back, some external obliques. Yep. Whenever people come in with hip pain, I like to do this stretch specifically, or SI joint pain, which is that bone you have right here. This is a great way to stretch that IT band, the TFL muscle, get the QL muscle in the back, external obliques. Especially my fellow cops, they always wear the gun belts. This is great for them as well.